Today I'm going to talk about 5 tips for psychology selling. So number 1 is approach customer with the intention of solving the problem, not with the intention of selling your product or service. So always, whenever you talk to customer, you should always have the intention of how you can solve the problem, intention of understanding his need, what exactly he's expecting, what is the outcome results he's expecting, whether there may be a number of outcome results, like maybe he wants to reduce his time, overall time, he wants to increase his productivity, he wants to save money, he wants to reduce the overall size. There may be a lot of outcome results he's expecting. Understand that and have the intention of helping him solving his problem. Do not have the intention of selling it. If you solve the problem, selling will anyway happen. So number 1, approach the intention of solving, not selling. And number 2, always make customer to feel good about you, about the product or service. First you should win customer emotionally. A first impression what you create is most important. Then the logic comes into picture. So first you should focus how you impress them by your way of selling the product, your qualities, and then the product or service what you're going to sell. So make customer to feel good. You have to win emotionally, then the logic comes secondary. So number 2 is make customer to feel good. Number 3, show success stories. Many customers like to follow the crowd. If others are using the product or service, he always wants to use. He do not want to take a risk of using the first time. So always he like to follow the crowd. So always try to, whenever you talk with customer, have some datas, like wherever you have done the success stories similar to the industries. Okay, I've sold my product or service so and so customers and they really got benefited. These are all the benefits they have got. So you should always talk in that manner. Always share success stories. That is number 3. And if you have any reference letters, always whenever you your existing customer, once they get satisfied, try to get a lot of reference letters so that you show to your new prospects. That will add the value. Instead of theoretically telling, when you show some data and proofs, that will definitely help you to win the sale. So number 3 is share success stories. And number 4 is create urgency. You are going to a shopping mall and you really like the dress, and they put the tagline that if you buy today it is 500 rupees, if you buy tomorrow it is 1000 rupees. What you do? You always want to buy today, right? Same way, you have to create urgency to your customer. If you create urgency, they will definitely buy. There is one closing technical method called now or never. That means if you are giving your offer, that means it is eligible only now, and then it will never be eligible, that kind of offer. So always create urgency. This is also very important when we are talking about psychology selling. How psychologically you make them to buy your product. And the last but not least is always be honest. Customer do not like you to manipulate the things. He never like. Maybe he might be a short-term customer for you, but if you really want to have a long-term relationship with the customer, long-term contract and business, then you have to be genuine. I have 18 years experience in sales, and even today customer used to call me because that kind of a relationship, that kind of honesty I maintained all these days. So be genuine. Don't ever overcommit anything. Whatever is the fact, tell them. Even Even it is okay. Customer shows some anger by telling some truth. It is okay. But building the trust and being genuine, being honest is very important in selling. So what are all the 5 points? Number 1, approach customer with the intention of solving, not selling. Make customer to feel good. Emotional bond is so important first. Number 3, share success stories. Number 4, create urgency. Number 5, be honest. Hope this video helpful to you. If you want me to cover some other videos, just put it in the comment box, the topics. Thank you. Happy selling. Bye.